Namaskaram. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mookambika Devasthanam. Panjangam for 28th June 2024. Friday, Krodhi Nama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Grishma Rutu, Animasam, Midhuna Masam, Krishna Paksham, up to 6:22 Saptami, then Ashtami, Bhriguvasarayuktam, Nakshatram up to 12:23 p.m. Pururutadi, then Uttratadi. Today's Rahukalam 10:30 to 12, Yamagandam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Guligai 7:30 to 9 a.m. Today's good time 6 to 7:30 a.m. and 5 to 6 p.m. Chandrashtamam up to 6:47 a.m. Kadagarashi, then Simharashi.